Are you looking to advance your career in cloud computing and gain valuable skills in Amazon Web Services? Look no further than our immersive, hands-on training program. Our course is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of AWS and its core services, including Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2, Simple Storage Service, S3, and Virtual Private Cloud, VPC. You will learn how to design, deploy, and scale applications on the AWS platform and gain the knowledge and skills necessary to pass the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam. Throughout the course, you will work with real-world scenarios and hands-on labs to apply your new knowledge and skills. Our experienced instructors will guide you through each step of the process and provide support along the way. At the end of the course, you will have the opportunity to take the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam and earn your certification. This certification is highly sought after by employers and is a valuable asset to have on your resume. Don't miss this opportunity to take your career to the next level. Enroll in PaniTech Academy's AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate course today and start your journey to becoming an AWS Certified Professional. Call 240-200-6474, 202-790-2928 or visit panitechacademy.com.